The official iOS 26.2 version has finally been released with build number 23C55. It's much clearer. Many bugs have been fixed. First, let's see the changes in appearance. I told you at the end of the video why you should definitely install it right now. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, thanks, guys. Now, let's start the video. Now we see that liquid glass has been added to more parts of the iPhone, like this one, and we can use it with an attractive and unique animation below. Now on the lock screen, we can specify the level of liquid glass this watch has so that it can fit in with our wallpaper and we can create an attractive design. In settings and then accessibility, let's go a little lower. There is an audio and visual option. At the end, we had a flash for alerts, which when it was on the LED flash, this flash on the back of the phone would flash when it rang. Now two options have been added. We can set it on the screen so that our phone's screen flashes when a notification comes or rings, or on both, or just on the LED. Now we can set an alarm for our reminder so that it plays a sound in addition to the notification on the date and time we specified, so that we can notice it more easily. Finally, in iOS 26.2, Apple has given us the ability to AirDrop between an iPhone and an Android phone, namely Pixel phones, which would be really great if this feature was also given to other Android phones. The most important reason you should update to iOS 26.2 right now is to fix a major security bug, and my own experience has been that it has become much clearer. So update now and enjoy it. That's it, and of course I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos, and then I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.